So RedEye is getting some new mid pipes with mid-pipe delete, along with a new belt, since the belt that came with my 272 pulley kit sucked. I'm getting a green one. I should have it tomorrow. Here is the stock and the JBA catless I got. Was pretty simple to take off, so I am going to be dynoing the car afterwards to see what the actual power gains are, deleting the cats, and I'll be posting that later this week. But yeah, she can breathe now, so stay tuned. Subscribe so you can see everything that I'm doing, including upcoming racing, test and tune, Spring Fest, half-mile events. All of that's coming in the next 30 to 60 days. All right.